If a model categorizes your transactions, something has to check it. Usually that's a sample, someone reads a few hundred rows a quarter and signs it off. FinLang can do it differently. One command categorizes your transactions and compares the result against your model's output on the way past. Here it is on a real run. 15 rows. 13 agreed. 2 didn't, and it tells you which 2, by counterparty. Every disagreement comes back with what your model said, what FinLang said, and the rule that produced FinLang's answer. A payment to an offshore trust. One system files it as routine treasury operations. The other flags it for compliance review, because of a rule someone wrote and can point to. Notice what it doesn't do. It doesn't tell you the model was wrong. It gives you the disagreement and the reason, and a person decides. It can match by position, or by a key you pick, so a pipeline that reorders or drops rows doesn't quietly produce nonsense. Rows that exist on only one side come back as orphans, not silence. And it exits with code 3 when it finds disagreements, so this can run in CI and fail a build. A check that runs every time beats a sample that runs quarterly.